Hi, I want to talk to you about this bees wrap. Now, excuse my appearance, but I've been baking up a storm and I decided that I want to use this to wrap my banana bread. So I want to show you what you get. This is just one package and you get one very large piece of beeswax paper. Now, let me show you how you use it. So I have my paper. I put it down. It's not really paper. It's a thick wrap. And now I'm going to put the bread in there. And I am just going to, I'm giving this as a gift. So I thought this would be a nice way to preserve it and give an extra feature. Now, you can use this several times over. I'm not exactly sure how to wrap it up, but I know that you can use this wrap over and over again. And it sticks. Look at that. It kind of sticks. So I'm just going to put it in there. And there. Now I don't have to wrap it in plastic or anything like that. And I just think that's a great presentation. I'm going to actually add this with it so they can read a little bit more about it and how they can reuse it again. I think I'm just doing my little part on not using plastic and saran wrap and just doing my little effort. And that's just my opinion.